The society is located at Mule village within the Laskin C&RD block, Laskin West Jaintia Hills district, Jawai, Meghalaya. The Mule village is 11 kilometers from Laskin and 45 kilometers from district headquarters, Jawai. Mule has a total population of 17,120 people. There are about 215 households. The nearby village are Madan Kinsau, Pamanik, Shangpung, villages Mokendeng, Mulum, Nongkenri, Raliang. The village is well connected by road and transport supplies regularly. The Manroilang Milk Producers Cooperative Society Limited is organized by Srimati J. Taryang, Senior Cooperative Officer in charge of Laskin Circle on the 13 March 2015 at Mule under Shri B.S. Majau as the Assistant Registrar of Cooperative West Jaintia Hills District, Jawai. During the inquiry report, it is reported that the society started its business through the bank loan from Meghalaya Rural Bank, Shangpung branch, worth of rupees 7,76,000 for purchase of milk cows, construction of shed and other required materials. The society is formed by a group of 26 farmers from the villages, 15 male and 11 female. Ba Robinus Sayu was elected as the president and Srimati Lumlindhar as the secretary and 5 managing committee members. Under the leadership of Ba Sayu, the society performance is improving years by years. At the beginning, society had 10 milk cows, but at present there are 20 milk cows, 1 bull and 10 small cows. The milk cow produces around 250 litres per day. The society supply milks to the people of Mukendeng, Mule, Shangpung Musim, Shangpung Mission, Shangpung Koira, Shangpung Pochnong, Shangpung Kle Mushut, Shangpung Molibang, Muthlong and Pramer villages. The share contribution till date is rupees 12,500 and there is no financial assistance from the government even though the society has applied for the year 2019 to 2020.
Robinus Sayo Ngila sedang ikan do arjar khatsan. Kia trei kiwe ki kam nong rep hikum to. Dangi don kam ngila ban khot ki nakapor pat. Ha gasien jam ngibu saw ngut. Saw ngut ki nong trei ke. Ki ju ki membar. Long nakapor ngi exchange pat. Bro ki don live polai. Ki berit ki don't give us benai, don't give a cheese name, don't give a dang artayeu lai tayeu ru kumba pilio iu to. Don't give a kwa sembai ru ngidi sembai. Ipen mi ars pa plus to. Kani kapor balala ngidang la pen mi do ars pa senfau. Mental sedang heu plang lahir kin dia. Jumen to yo na gane ba ni kum bar khamtam lai long kibala trei hang ne kila imja hang ne kibala nadu arjar khasan ubayo trei hang ne trei jo shwe ula im hinang ne ula yeng hinang ne ula kersan hinang ne ni sem jongo isang ye gane ba nangkong ha ka kurdu kampi watlat kiwe ki kamro teng pendik yau ka hat teng de pitre kono ru don jing thot hang nang tai de pitre moyong ne pi ong gadieng ne pi ong kono ne tang ba kayau kamda itnat pi don be ka jing thot hang nang tai te de tre gum kene pat don jing thot su pi dei tang ka tai ba ngia pali jumut ye kene kam hendai ban ong hoi jing e ki don hi hang no ru ki don hi jing e tang ba aga kamyo te ye gane te subha kadiman bha gen nang don kam bha pan pen he ru dang la hi hoi nakapor gir to jongi kiwan nadu basdang hi hadum tai ki don gir to man kapor kiwan ki ba nanne hi dispensary ki don ajan ni penia cha juai ki bawan na po plan ki diary plan jongi hi ki bana po juai ka dunia pat ngi dihi ngi pnya ye hui man step ngi ASHA po diary ha ngi dang le hi de kita